Let's now speak to David Haigh, who's a human rights lawyer who campaigned on behalf of one of Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al-Maktoum's daughters, Princess Latifa. Good to have you on the show, sir. Sheikh Mohammed had said that he had always ensured that his children are provided for. What is your reaction to that?
Well, I think the court has found that that isn't the case. The court also found in an earlier judgment that Sheikh Mohammed had kidnapped two of his other children. And in this case, it's found that the Princess Haya and her children are vulnerable from him, and in Princess Haya's case, in clear and ever-present risk for the rest of her life from Sheikh Mohammed. Hence the large award, and a big proportion of which is for her own security from him.
Okay, you're talking about this clear and present danger. Sheikh Mohammed, we know that he had used sophisticated spyware. It's being reported as the Pegasus spyware to spy on his former wife as well as the lawyers. We also know that he wanted to buy a home right next door to her in London. I mean, how important is it that she has gotten this divorce?
Well, the divorce obviously is a personal matter for her, but in terms of the financial settlement, that's very, very important. It's clear, and the judge and the court has found that she's in an ever-present risk from him. And it's also found that not just Princess Haya, but her lawyers were hacked with NSO Pegasus spyware and others around them as well. And it's absurd that a leader of a so-called friendly nation has been found to have broken the law in England and elsewhere multiple times in this case, and still yet hasn't been held to justice.
Let me ask you that. I mean, given the sort of the catalog that would be otherwise considered serious crimes, how is it allowed, or how is it sort of how is it that Sheikh Mohammed is still allowed in the UK?
Well, I think that's a very, very good question, and one that the politicians now must answer. We see back in 2000, he was found to have kidnapped his daughter, Princess Shamsa, from the streets of Cambridge in the UK, and still nothing has been done. That's been covered up. It was found that he had kidnapped Princess Latifa, and now we see this divorce settlement and the significant amount given to security. So it's now for the authorities, I think, in England to investigate these criminal acts and bring the relevant people, not just Sheikh Mohammed, but those that helped him do these things to account.
Mm-hmm. David, pleasure having you on. David Haigh, live for us from the UK. Latest. Thank you.